to him is to make sure that he unites this country. He unites every Zimbabwean, and he ensures that every Zimbabwean is given equal opportunities. The reason why we are faced with the kind of problems that we are faced with right now is because Zimbabweans have not been given equal opportunities. There are inequalities. There are so many things which have happened, injustices. Those issues are supposed to be dealt with, because you cannot build a nation on a foundation of injustices. So I am pleading with the president-elect to make sure that he deals with all the outstanding issues to do with injustices. He unites every Zimbabwean. He gives every Zimbabwean equal opportunities. We want inequalities to go away. We want every province to be treated equally. We want power to be devolved to provinces, so that each and every province is able to do things as a province and decide on what kind of development they want. We want the president-elect to move away from a centralized economy to a devolved economy, because the other problem is that we have had a centralized economy where everything happens in Harare. Things must change. Things must move to all the provinces. We must make sure that we desist from things happening in Harare only. Every province must be given an opportunity to do their own things, to decide on what they want to do in terms of development. They must be given their own resources and decide on their priorities as a province. So that's my plea to the president-elect.
Are we taking new rounds or is it a follow-up?
It's a new round.
It's a new round. Okay, so you'll be number 1, number 2,